Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar. I'm working as a technical lead one of the organization and certified Scrum Master. I did PG Diploma Data Science from IIIT Bangalore. My interested area is big data, AI and machine learning coaching. Today we will discuss about AI and machine learning testing concepts. So what skills required to become a AI and ML testing professionals?
AI and milliliter testing skills. Skills required to become the AI and milliliter testing professional. Testing skills and automation skills. AI flash machine learning knowledge data management. Any database skill X Oracle or SQL Server. Statistics any domain knowledge banking, healthcare, or Python big data technologies or cloud not required but basic knowledge. It would be better. AI and milliliter in testing goes mainstream. The market for artificial intelligence is growing faster. It is expected that by 2025 it will reach $190.6 billion. This suggests that the IT industry is increasingly moving to AI and machine learning. Do we really need AI in software testing? Software testing came into existence as a result of the evolution of development methodologies. It fed the need for robust, error-free software products. Testing was a laborious task for sure. However, automating software testing required traceability and versioning, both of which were critical and needed careful consideration. Something was needed to resolve this. Do we really need AI in software testing? As businesses move towards digital transformation and the software market continues to grow, businesses expect a real-time risk assessment across all stages of the software delivery cycle. AI in software testing is the right response to these challenges. AI can't develop error-free applications while enabling greater automation in software testing. Do we really need AI in software testing? This helps meet the expanded, critical demands for testing. It improves the quality of engineering and reduces testing time, allowing the tester to focus on more important things. The verdict is clear then: we really need AI for software testing. AI and milliliter in testing goes mainstream. Today, many machine learning models and artificial technologies have been developed to build smart application systems based on multimedia inputs to achieve intelligent functional features, such as recommendation, object detection, classification, and prediction, natural language processing and translation, and so on. This brings strong demand in quality validation and assurance for AI software systems. AI and milliliter in testing goes mainstream. Current research work seldom discusses AI software testing questions, challenges, and validation approaches with clear quality requirements and criteria. AI software quality validation, including validation focuses, features, and process, and potential testing approaches. Moreover, it presents a test process and classification-based test modeling for AI classification function testing. Finally, it discusses the challenges, issues, and needs in AI. AI and milliliter in testing goes mainstream. Artificial intelligence is on the way to becoming omnipresent in all spheres of technological innovations. Machine learning milliliter and user interfaces like speech recognition and gesture recognition will rapidly advance in the years to come. AI and milliliter in testing goes mainstream. With the world nearing a complete digital transformation, there is a dire need for a system that is predictive and scalable to cater to the future needs of the software. The advanced applications in the connected world of the future will evidently demand testing to enable the impeccable use of AI and milliliters to automate processes. Artificial intelligence tools for software testing. AI has changed software testing for good, and it continues to improve the processes associated with software development and testing. These days, software testing has changed with the invention of artificial intelligence tools. As a result, manual software testing is paving the way for machines by the use of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence testing. Artificial intelligence AI has burrowed into our lives in various aspects. However, without appropriate testing, deployed AI systems are often being criticized to fail in critical and embarrassing cases. Existing testing approaches mainly depend on fixed and predefined datasets, providing a limited testing coverage. Artificial intelligence testing. We propose proactive testing, a novel approach that evaluates the performance of AI model with dynamic and well-crafted dataset collected using crowd intelligence. Proactive testing from conventional testing metrics in two aspects. First, it extends the coverage of the testing dataset by dynamically collecting external dataset. Artificial intelligence testing. Second, AI developers are allowed to query additional dataset belonging to certain categories to target corner cases. As a result, proactive testing is an approach to discovering unknown error and bias of a model, and providing a comprehensive evaluation of the model performance regarding all test cases.